Let me ask you something. Why does eating healthy feel so confusing? One person says cut carbs, another says eat more carbs, some say go vegan, others say eat more protein, and somehow you're stuck in the middle, just trying to figure out what actually works. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Proper nutrition is not complicated, it's just been made to look that way. And today I'm going to break it down in a way that actually makes sense, and more importantly, something you can start using immediately in your everyday life. Because at the end of the day, nutrition isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Now let's get into it. First, let's clear up a big misunderstanding. Proper nutrition is not about eating less, it's about eating right. A lot of people think skipping meals or drastically cutting food is the way to stay healthy. But what usually happens, you feel tired, you lose focus, and later you overeat. So instead of starving your body, the goal is to fuel it properly. Think of your body like a machine. If you put poor fuel in it, don't expect top performance. So what does proper fuel actually look like? It comes down to three main things your body needs every day: carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Let's break that down in real life. Carbs are not your enemy. In fact, they are your body's main source of energy. But the key is choosing the right type. Instead of processed carbs like sugary snacks and white bread, go for things like rice, oats, potatoes, fruits, and whole grains. These give you steady energy instead of quick spikes and crashes. Next is protein. This is what helps your body repair itself and maintain muscle. And no, you don't need expensive supplements to get it. Simple foods like eggs, beans, chicken, fish, milk, and ground nuts can do the job perfectly. Then we have healthy fats. A lot of people avoid fats completely, but your body actually needs them for brain function, hormones, and overall health. The key again is choosing the right ones. Things like avocados, nuts, seeds, and natural oils. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. They focus too much on individual foods instead of looking at the whole plate. A simple way to fix your nutrition is this. Every time you eat, try to balance your plate. Half of it should be vegetables or fruits. A quarter should be carbs, and the other quarter should be protein. That's it. No complicated diet plan needed. Now let's talk about real life, because I know you're not living in a perfect world where you have unlimited time and money to prepare meals. Maybe you're busy, maybe you're on a budget, maybe you just don't feel like cooking all the time. That's normal. So instead of trying to be perfect, aim to be better than yesterday. If you usually skip breakfast, start with something small, even if it's just fruit and ground nuts. If you eat a lot of junk food, don't try to cut everything at once. Just reduce it gradually and replace it with better options. Because the truth is, small changes done consistently will always beat extreme changes that don't last. Now here's something else that doesn't get talked about enough. Hydration. A lot of people think they are hungry when they are actually just dehydrated. Drinking enough water can improve your energy, your digestion, even your focus. So before you reach for snacks, ask yourself, have I had enough water today? Now, let me give you one simple rule that can change everything. If it looks like real food, it's probably good for you. If it comes in a shiny package with a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce, maybe think twice. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Eat more natural foods, eat balanced meals, drink enough water, and be consistent. That's the foundation of proper nutrition. Now, before we wrap this up, let me say this. You don't need to be perfect to be healthy. You can still enjoy your favorite foods. You can still eat out. You can still live your life. What matters is what you do most of the time, not once in a while. So don't stress over one bad meal. Focus on building better habits over time, because that's what actually creates results that last. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. Your health is built daily, one simple choice at a time. So start small, stay consistent, and trust the process, because your body will always respond to how you treat it.